Hi, it's Kibs from Academia. Let me show you how you generate fill in Adobe Photoshop. I've opened my Photoshop and imported an image into it. I'm going to select the image, shrink it so that I put it right into the center of the canvas. As you can see, I've got an image and a blank space around it. And this is where I want to use the Generative Fill Tool to expand the image. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my toolbar in Photoshop and pick the rectangular marquee tool, and I'm going to select the blank spaces around the canvas. With the space selected around the image, the Generative Fill tool comes up automatically at the bottom. Once I've clicked Generative Fill, it will give me the option to fill in a prompt, or I can click on Generate. I'm going to click on the Generate button. And as you can see, it's expanded my image. At the bottom of the canvas is the Generative Tool button. Now you can pop in your command to expand your image and add things to it, or you click on the Generate button, which will allow 3 different options to come up. And I've got 3 different options here which look absolutely amazing. Just to show you how seamless it is, you can't even notice where it's been expanded. If you didn't like any of those, you could click Generate again and it will give you another 3 options. So that is how quick, easy and simple it is to use the Generative Fill tool in Adobe Photoshop. To find out more about Adobe and generative AI, get in contact with Academia.